EFF leader Julius Malema threatened his former deputy Floyd Shivambu that he will split the beans should he be pushed. I never initiated a fight with anyone. They went to sit and said, we have to drop him, we have to finish him off. Malema said on Monday about those who knew about Shivambu's imminent departure. I regarded him as my brother. If he doesn't feel the same about me, it's his problem. I did everything for him as a brother. If I must be challenged one day and be pushed, I will talk. Do not push me, said Julius Malema. The two had a very close relationship for years, emanating from the ANC Youth League until it became clear when Shivambu allegedly sidelined the party leader about his resignation and things had went sour, you guys. Now, recently, Shivambu characterized their ties as a political relationship on a podcast. Sometimes the so-called brotherhood thing is not a brotherhood. It borders on gangster relationship that we are together and we can't call each other to order even if the person is wrong. Now, Malema told the media he had informed his children to contact Uncle Floyd to oversee aspects of his funeral. Asked about an alleged fight between them, Malema said, "You'll have to slaughter cows for that fight to happen. It will never happen. That's what the enemy is wishing for. I told my son, if I die, you must contact Uncle Floyd so you guys work together with your mother on the program of the funeral." When the party announced Shivambu's exit in August, Malema said he felt the same pain he felt when his mother passed away. On an EFF podcast ahead of the party's elective conference next month, Malema alleged Shivambu had chased his school principal with a knife while he was still a student, you guys. The EFF will fill Shivambu's vacancy next month when leaders of the party will be elected. There you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage some with me in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.